I want you to ponder these four questions. Here is the first one, and that's why. Why pay the price? Why work this hard? Why go this far? Why try to learn this much? Why try to do it all? Why try to see it all? Why try to have it all? Why try to take on all this much responsibility? Why develop yourself to the full? Why try become all that you can possibly become? Why try to earn as much you've been earning? Share as much as you can share. One of the big trusts for success in leadership training, here is what we learn. If the why is powerful, the how is easy.